Times Network's Dhaka Jacob, Union Petroleum Minister Hardeep Singh Puri highlighted India's position in the global energy market while assuring that we have diversified our sources of oil imports. He also added that OPEC could see further exits, much like one that we saw just a couple of months back. He emphasized that India is providing fuel at the lowest cost and also discussed the correlation between ethanol and mileage. Listen in to an excerpt of that conversation.
If you were to ask me, how will you fare now? I say we will do well because we have got enough stocks of domestic crude, gas. We are importing from areas. The world is opened out. Instead of coming through the Strait of Hormuz, they are being diverted to the Fujairah terminal. We are also expediting. There's more and more energy coming on the global market. That's also true. OPEC as a producers group is also seeing changes. UAE has left it. One other country in the close proximity of the UAE is talking about leaving. Brazil said we are part of OPEC, but we will not subscribe to quotas. But more than anything else, I have full confidence in that if you come out of the last battle, you are better prepared for this one. Mileage, it was established that the total decline is about 3% or so, or slightly more. And Zaka, again, their driving habits. You and I, you because you're much younger, I and me, given the same model of car, we can be doing the same distance. One of us may be more responsible in terms of driving at a constant speed, keeping the mileage up. Otherwise, you do zigzags, where some of my drivers do, overtaking from the left, suddenly braking, accelerating. That's not conducive for Mike.
But you do admit there will be a 3 to 5% drop in mileage.
It can be.
Okay.
But it's not due to ethanol only.
Sure.
It is due to driving habits.
Yeah, X number of factors. What would you say to those people who say if there's a 3 to 5% drop in mileage, why don't you give us a 3 to 5% cheaper version of the fuel?
That's what you're getting. That's what you're getting.
But the price is still the same.
No. Please.
I think it's still the same at the
No. If you were to link and establish a coefficient between mileage and price at the pump, you would have utter chaos. This price is low. Today we are selling fuel to the world, amongst the world, at the lowest price.
That's the word coming in from Petroleum Minister Hardeep Singh Puri in an exclusive conversation with the Times Network.